What if a single piece of wood could completely change the mood of your room? This weekend, you're not just building a lamp, you're crafting a statement that reflects your skill, creativity, and style. Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, the channel where woodworkers of all levels turn simple wood into stunning, functional projects. If you love building things that actually get used and admired, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through 5 stylish wooden lamp designs you can realistically build this weekend. No complicated tools, no stress, just smart designs and satisfying results. Lamp idea number 1, Minimalist Wooden Table Lamp. This design is all about clean lines and natural beauty. A solid wood base, soft edges, and a simple fabric shade make it perfect for desks or bedside tables. Great project if you enjoy precision and smooth finishing. Lamp idea number 2, Rustic Log Lamp. If you love raw wood characters, this one's for you. Using a small log or reclaimed beam, you can create a warm, cabin-style lamp that highlights natural grain and knots. Perfect for rustic or farmhouse interiors. Lamp idea number 3, Modern Geometric Lamp. This design uses sharp angles and layers wooden shapes. It looks high-end and modern, but the build is surprisingly straightforward. A great way to practice clean cuts and accurate assembly. Lamp idea 4, Scandinavian Tripod Lamp. 3 wooden legs, a simple socket, and soft lighting. That's it. This lamp feels light, elegant, and timeless. Ideal if you enjoy balanced proportions and minimal design. Lamp idea 5, Wall-Mounted Wooden Lamp. Short on space? This lamp attaches directly to the wall. It's functional, stylish, and perfect for bedrooms or reading corners. Plus, it's a great introduction to combining woodworking with simple hardware installation. If you enjoyed these lamp ideas and want to keep building projects that truly elevate your home, I've got something for you. Visit woodcraftingideas.com, where you'll find complete step-by-step woodcrafting tutorials, including a full guide to building stylish wooden bookshelves, perfect for homes, offices, and workshops. Everything is designed to help you build smarter, faster, and with confidence. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas for more practical and inspiring woodworking projects every week. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next one.